Nathan, did any little girls give you kisses today?
No.
Why not?
Because they were mean.
Because they were mean?
Yes.
Why?
Because they were not nice.
Why didn't they give you kisses?
Because they were not nice.
Were they supposed to give you kisses?
Yes.
Why were they supposed to give you kisses?
Because it's Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's Day. And on Valentine's Day, do you get kisses?
Yes. But the girls didn't.
They didn't?
If girls do not give us kisses, that means it's not Valentine's Day.
Oh, so if you don't get kisses, it's not Valentine's Day. Did you give any kisses?
No.
Oh, why not?
Because the people were mean to me.
Who was mean to you?
A Dean.
Why was he mean to you?
No Blake.
Blake was mean to you?
Yes.
Well, that's not nice.
That isn't nice.
Maybe next year on Valentine's Day you can give the girls kisses.
No, because they would not be nice to me again.
No, they'll be nice to you.
No.
They have crushes on you
Why?
because you're cute.
You get the cupcake.